Okay, before we create the back seat and the seat of the sofa, I will select this edge around. That was the reason I have the two edge when I was chamfering. I will loop them, all are selected, and just create shape from selection. Make sure it is linear. No need to change the name now. If you like, you can hit the OK. Back to here and select my shape, go to the rendering and make sure it is rendered 0.5 small. I want to use the same turbo smooth value, so I will copy this to the editable spline, paste. Well, it is all working well. I will apply the gray material. Okay, continue. I will create I should make it black to see the edge as well. I will create a box this time. The depth should be 60 centimeter and the width 70 centimeter and the height 20 centimeter. Now I isolate the scene to just work on this box. Isolate it. My box, before I change it to the editable poly, I need 3 segments for both depth and width and 1 segment for the height. Now right click and convert to editable poly. Select the center vertices, chamfer them, chamfer 2.5. Hit OK. You need to hold down the Alt Shift and click on the polygon to just select these center polygons. Extrude them down inside. Okay, just let's see from here also. While the faces is selected, you have two choices. One is back to the vertex and select these vertices and then use the weld, or to connect actually all of them, or go to the edit geometry and collapse them. All the vertices of that face will be attached, will be collapsed. Apply the turbo smooth. You can again paste it. You can again paste it as much as you like. It is until now it become like this, but of course it is not what we want. Back to here, select the edges around. Just select, because we already changed some part at the face. We cannot again use the okay. The edges are selected and I will chamfer them again 2 times. I think this is okay. Then I need to chamfer, just see the turbo smooth. It is until now, it's okay. Back to edge of the edit poly, select all of actually you can now hit the ring also. No, you cannot hit the ring because the center has the edge. Now just hit the loop to make sure these small also selected. Now I will apply chamfer again, in this time just one segment and make it smaller, maybe half. Okay, and now turbo smooth. You can see how it get the shape. Well, it's not finished yet. I will come here, select the all edges, segments, and hit the loop. I hit the loop because I want the inner segments also be selected, but it will select the outer and all around. So I will hold down the alt, and in other views I will deselect this part, right, and just make sure it is not something extra. And these two actually segments also should be deselected. I don't want it go much more inside. Rotate it. Okay, now that you rotate again, you need to use the chamfer. Chamfer, and this time again 2. I think the size is okay. Now use the turbo smooth and see the result. The result becomes like this. It's still not what we want. So back here, before I need to apply the FFT 4 and very small amount. I move the center points up. This should be very small value. I don't want this part be selected. Okay, this is what we create until now. Turbo smooth, I will cut it because I want to convert it. Actually, right click, convert to editable poly. Now I will apply the first paste the turbo smooth, and I will apply the push modifier. When I apply the push modifier, actually I need to select the part that I want it be pushed. I choose the just big pieces of the surface of this sofa, back to the push, and I will change the value. You can see maybe you need to create some shape like this. Now you learn how can create it also. I will choose the smaller value, and also I want to make sure it is not going to be so mess. Okay, I think this should be enough. Look in the turbo smooth. Okay, this is almost what I want. 9.5. Before I apply, see the around, see the edges. Is not very nice for a sofa, for a seat or the back seat of the sofa. So I need to back to editable poly. This part, when it was actually chamfering, it creates some extra point here. So I need to select them and weld them. Increase the weld value. One time apply, the second time apply, it will be okay. In this case that I am working, it is like this, that you need 2 times actually apply it. Apply, apply. So I think I did some mistake here. I shouldn't choose this one. I think it's okay, right? Yes, this is okay. Apply and apply, is just 8 times that you need to do this, so it's not much. Okay, now back to the push and back to the turbo smooth. So you can see the something different. When it is going to the out, actually it get the fade shape. You can see here become fade.